Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in today. So today I am going to be using the hair paint wax. So I've been seeing this everywhere in terms of everyone's trying it out, and I want to try it too because I have been wanting to put color in my hair for a long time. I have not since high school, and I have a very valid reason. So when I was in high school, I had my hair colored and I had a relaxer, and they were done very close to each other, and it resulted in my hair coming out, like shedding, like ton of hair coming out, and I had to cut my hair. And I've been scared to put color in my hair ever since. So this is supposed to be a temporary wax. There's not many ingredients. I guess people have been using this. You can have it in there for up to a week. Um, some of the ingredients include water, carrot wax, beeswax, and castor oil. It does say apply a small amount to damp hair and then style as usual. There is an expiration date, which is January 7th of 2022, which I think I'm going to use this before then. Oh, so I got blue and I got purple. So blue is my favorite color, but when I've been seeing other people with the blue and it looks very bright. So I want a more deep blue, which is why I got the purple. I'm going to mix them and hopefully achieve that color I'm desiring. Desiring, is that a word? Well, the color that I desire. And I'm going to try it on a Bantu knot out. So I have been wanting to do a Bantu knot out for so long. I haven't done one since summer. So, I've been seeing people do this with a wash and go. So I am very interested to see how this is going to come out with a Bantu knot. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to apply the curl cream to my hair, and then I'm going to apply the hair paint wax over that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mix the purple and the blue in this little container right here. And let's see. Yeah, well, it would help if I take this off first. Y'all, they're so pretty. And I kind of like the smell to it. I can't really explain it, but. So I'm just gonna take, ooh, it's thick. So. And I'm just gonna mix this. Ooh, y'all, this is so pretty. So let's see if you can tell the difference between the blue. Okay, guys, so with the Bantu knot, you can make them as big or small as you want. So I have a medium amount of hair. I'm just going to put a little bit of curl cream in, not too much. And guys, it's really thick. So think it needs some more. Ooh, I don't don't know if that's if it really is making the curls really nice. I think I'm gonna put some more in. I don't know. Well, it is the blue that I like. I did get it to my desired blue. So now for the Bantu knot, guys. I am just going to begin twisting my hair. Just make sure that this part of the twist is smooth from tangles. And I'm just going to wrap around like that. A little Bantu knot. So I went to go rinse my hands because I didn't want to dip blue fingers into the curl cream jar. It took me a minute and it just literally rinsed off so easily. So that's good to know. I thought I was going to be in there, you know, taking forever to get this off my hand. So these are the completed Bantu knots. So like I said earlier, the product feels very heavy and very creamy. So I have a feeling it's going to take a very long time for it to dry. So I stayed up till about 1:30 a.m. last night. I was watching Handmaid's Tale, y'all. I finished season 2. But anyway, I had to take one of the Bantu knots down because it was just too tight, okay? So I had to loosen it up. So I take it down, and it's damp. Like, mind you, I did my hair at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's like 1:30 a.m., and it's still really damp. Not only that, but it was a thin layer of like Play-Doh in my hair. So I have a feeling that I'm going to be washing this paint out of my hair today. But I'm going to still have faith, y'all. I'm going to still have faith. So usually what I do when I have Bantu knots, I'll put a little bit of oil in my hands. And I'll just begin to untwist the knot like a bottle. And then I'll just begin to separate it. So I don't know how that's going to work in this case. Like, is the paint going to rub off? I don't want to put too much oil. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. So you just untwist it. So it curled, but it is like super hard. Like, and it's still, whatever. Let's just take them down. Okay, let me try to separate. I'm kind of nervous. It's so hard. It separates pretty easily. But it just, look at how it look. Y'all, this is terrible. Ew. So these are the results, guys. This looks a hot freaking mess. So it does look like I have Play-Doh in my hair. So it feels thick, not thick in a good way. It feels like cakey. It's hard. So yeah, these are my results, guys. And maybe I was trying to do too much by doing the Bantu knots. I was doing too much, wasn't I? I should have just stuck to a basic wash and go and been happy with that. But I had to be extra. So I'm gonna give it another try. And try something else. Probably more than likely a wash and go. And see how it looks. But right now, I'm just about to go wash this out of my hair. If you all have tried the hair paint wax, or if you haven't tried it and are going to try it, let me know how it works out for you all in the description, not the description box, but the comments down below. But yeah, I'm going to try it again. Or if there's something a style that you all want me to try with the hair paint wax, then comment below. If you like this video, be sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.